the very simple trick is if you normally charge a lot every single month, you want to pay off part of the balance before your statement closes. So again, back to the example of your credit limit is 10,000, your spending is 4,000. So right before my statement closes, I'm going to pay a little over 3,000. And then my statement closes with only a balance of 800. So then what's reported to the credit bureaus is only an 8% utilization versus the 40% utilization. And I haven't changed anything in my spending, right? It's just the impact to my credit score. So you're not necessarily paying the bill twice, right? You're just being strategic on how you pay it and when you pay it. So one payment before the statement closes to lower the balance, and one payment by the due date to pay off the remaining balance. And some people like to even pay their credit card weekly. Maybe if you get paid weekly, that makes sense for you. Maybe you want to align it to your paydays. Some people use their credit card like a debit card. So immediately I charge something. As soon as that clears, I pay it. So I never rack up anything. I never spend more than I can afford to pay. And it's kind of your way of staying on top of it. So you shouldn't carry a balance if you don't have to. So because it doesn't improve your credit score and also paying interest doesn't improve your credit score.